Welcome to ICSC Help YouTube channel. The today's topic is chemical bonding. Chemical bonding. Chemical bonding is the second chapter for ICSC class 10 chemistry. And what is chemical bonding? The chemical bonding is a type of force, electrostatic force, electroforce in which elements are combined to form a bond known as chemical bond. So the chemical bonding is a type of force of attraction between elements to make compound. There are three types of chemical bonding. First of all, the electrovalent is also known as ionic bond, and the second is covalent, and the third is coordinate bond. So there are three types of bond in chemical bonding. The electrovalent bond is occur by transferring of electron in which one atom transfer electron and second atom accept electron. One atom lose electron and second atom accept electron. This is known as electrovalent bond and also known as ionic bond. Suppose that formation of sodium chloride. You know that the sodium has the structure 281 and chlorine has the structure 287. According to rule of octet, every element want to complete their octet in valence shell. So sodium, what is suitable for sodium? 7 electron accepting or 1 electron losing to get 8. You know that it is not easy to 7 electron accepting, but it is easy to 1 electron losing. So by losing one electron, sodium become 2,8 and it is known as sodium ion. It is also known as cation. And in case of chlorine, you know that there is 7 electron in their valence shell. And how can it complete octet? It can complete octet by accepting 1 electron to valence shell or losing 7 electron. But losing 7 electron is not possible and accepting 1 electron is possible. So chlorine become 288 by accepting 1 electron, Cl minus. So Na plus and Cl minus combine to form NaCl, and the structure of Na plus and Cl is 2,8 not 1 and 2,8,8. This is the structure of Na plus Cl minus and NaCl. Is it cation? It is anion and sodium chloride form. So the electrovalent compound is formed by transferring of electron. What is the condition to form electrovalent compound? The condition for forming electrovalent compound should be low ionization potential, and the second condition is high electron affinity. What is electron affinity? Attracting of electron toward itself is known as electron affinity. So because chlorine attract electron and sodium transfer electron with low ionization potential. If the ionization potential is more, then atom did not transfer the electron and it does not favor the electrovalent bond. There should be electrovalent bond if low ionization, because the element lose electron become cation, and other should high electron affinity to accept electron and high electronegativity difference. High electronegativity difference. What is electronegativity? Electronegativity difference. Electronegativity difference. The electronegativity means attracting electron toward itself is known as high electronegativity. These three conditions are requirement to favor electrovalent or ionic bond. What is the character of ionic bond? The character, it was the condition. What is the character? Character of ionic compound. Ionic compound. Ionic compound. The character of ionic compound, they are generally solid like sodium chloride, and second, high melting point and boiling point. They have high melting point and boiling point of ionic compound due to strong electrostatic force, and the strong electrostatic force cannot be easily break, so require extra amount of energy to break the bond, and hence it has high melting point and high boiling point, and it is dissolved in polar compound. It is dissolved in polar compound. What is polar compound? It will be discussed in covalent bond, and it is good conductor of electricity, and it is made of ions. So these are the character of ionic compound, which is solid, high melting point, boiling point, dissolved in polar compound, and good conductor of electricity, and it is made of ions. Now the second bond, covalent. The covalent bond is formed by sharing of electron. The electrovalent bond formed by transferring electron, and while covalent bond is formed by sharing of electron, and two atoms share. In electrovalent bond, one atom was metal and other atom was non-metal, but in covalent bond both atoms were non-metal. So the covalent bond is done by between non-metal atom, while electrovalent bond is done between metal and non-metal, because metal donate electron and become cation plus, and non-metal accept electron become negative ion, anion. And in covalent bond it is done by sharing of electron, both atom and non-metal. It is three type: single covalent, and double covalent, and triple covalent, triple bond. What is the example of single, double and triple? The formation of hydrogen molecule. You know that the hydrogen has only one electron in their valence shell, and this hydrogen also has one electron in their valence shell. So they share one electron to become a molecule, and their sharing is only one electron. Hydrogen single bond H is equal to H2. And what is the example of double bond? Formation of oxygen molecule. Formation of oxygen. The oxygen has 6 electrons in their valence shell, and other oxygen also has 6 electrons in their valence shell. So they share 2 electron to become molecule. Oxygen, double bond oxygen is equal to O2 because 2 atoms combine to make one molecule. 2 atoms combine to make one molecule. And in triple bond example of covalent bond which is sharing is formation of nitrogen molecule. Nitrogen molecule, the nitrogen has 5 electron in their valence shell. 5 electron, while other nitrogen also has 5 electron in their valence shell, and they share 3 and 3 electron, and N triple bond N is equal to N2 because 2 atoms combine to form a molecule of nitrogen. This is the example. This was the example of covalent bond. Covalent bond is also two types: polar covalent or non-polar. Polar and non-polar. It is two types: polar and non-polar. If the atom of same atom or same electronegativity difference or very little electronegativity difference atom combine to make molecule, then it is non-polar. This is the example of non-polar. This is the example of non-polar. This is the example of non-polar because the electronegativity difference of both atom and both atom is very minor. What is the polar covalent bond? If sharing of electron is done by greater electronegativity difference, then the shared electron attract toward more electronegative element. Example, formation of HCl. The hydrogen has only 1 electron in their valence shell, while chlorine has 7 electron in their valence shell. 7 electron, and these shared electron of hydrogen and chlorine. This is covalent bond, but it is polar covalent bond because the sharing electron of hydrogen, one hydrogen and one chlorine attract toward chlorine due to more electronegativity power, and hydrogen has less electronegativity power, so chlorine become partial negative while hydrogen become partial positive. This is known as polar covalent bond and having behavior like the electrovalent. So it is polar covalent bond. The example of water is also polar covalent because oxygen has 6 electrons in their valence shell and the hydrogen has 1 electron in their valence shell, and the octet has been completed by sharing electron, but the oxygen has more electronegative element, so the sharing electron bend toward the oxygen and oxygen become partial negative while hydrogen become partial positive, and this is also example of polar covalent bond. The polar covalent, how polar covalent bond favor? Polar covalent bond favor by high electron affinity, high electronegativity and high electron affinity. How? What favor covalent bond? What favor covalent bond? The high electron affinity favor covalent bond because both atoms want to attract electron toward itself. High electron affinity and high ionization energy and high electron affinity and high electronegativity. These are three conditions which favor the covalent bond. What is the character of covalent compound? The character of covalent compound. First of all, the covalent compound are made of molecule, while the electrovalent compound were made of iron. It do not conduct electricity, while the electrovalent compound conduct electricity. Third, it has low melting point and boiling point, while electrovalent compound has high melting point and boiling point. The polar covalent compound dissolve only in organic compound, but electrovalent compound dissolve only in electrovalent compound or in polar compound. What is polar compound? So this is the example of electrovalent and covalent has been explained. Now the coordinate bond. It is a third type bond in which the special sharing has been done in coordinate bond. The coordinate bond by special sharing, and one side sharing, do not share by both element. Formation of H3O plus, or you know that the H2O, HO 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 H and 1 H. H had completed their octet and this is the H2O. But H3O plus means one hydrogen which is cation. It has no any electron in their valence shell, so it become cation. You know that the hydrogen has one electron in their valence shell, but removing one electron, it has no electron and become cation. So H plus combine and become H3O plus. How it is done? H plus has no electron, so it has taken the one lone pair. Oxygen has two lone pair, one lone pair and two lone pair. One lone pair is shared by hydrogen ion and it become coordinate bond. The other example of coordinate bond is formation of ammonium ion. First of all, the formation of ammonia. Nitrogen had three electron and 2 electron, 5 electron in their valence shell, and H hydrogen has 1 electron in their valence shell and they completed their octet by sharing, and nitrogen also completed their octet rule by sharing. But in nitrogen the lone pair electron is blank and it is shared by hydrogen plus which has no electron, and it is shared by hydrogen plus and also completed, so it is known as NH4 plus. This is coordinate bond. All three type bond has been discussed, and I hope that you have understood the chemical bonding clearly. To solve the exercise of the chemical bonding, please visit icschelp.com to get the solution of concise, Selina, Goel brother and other famous publication of ICSE board. Please like it, share it. Thank you.